In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Cloudflare domain to Shopify. Whether you're setting up your online store for the first time or reorganizing your digital space, linking your domain correctly is crucial. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is connected seamlessly. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify home. Log into your Shopify account where the home page serves as your starting point. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is locate the Settings option. This is typically found at the bottom of the menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on Settings will give you access to various options pertaining to your online store's configurations. In the Settings menu, look for Domains. This option allows you to manage any domain-related tasks. Select Domains from the list and it'll lead you to a page displaying your current domain setup. Here, you'll be able to either purchase a new domain or connect one you already own. For today's purpose, we're focusing on connecting an existing domain, so your next move will be to click on the Connect Existing button. This is particularly handy if your domain is already registered through a service like Cloudflare. Once you've selected to connect an existing domain, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Type the full domain name that you wish to connect with your Shopify store. Make sure there are no typos, as an incorrect domain can lead to connection errors or issues with site accessibility later on. After entering the correct domain, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Next. Shopify will then provide you with the necessary DNS settings you need to configure in your Cloudflare account. It's essential to switch over to Cloudflare at this point and log into your account. In Cloudflare, navigate to the DNS settings for your domain. You need to ensure that your DNS records match those provided by Shopify. Typically, this involves setting up an A record pointing to Shopify's IP address and a CNAME record that directs to Shopify. After making these changes, the changes may take some time to propagate. If you've configured everything correctly, head back to your Shopify admin. Here you'll want to click Verify Connection or complete any prompt Shopify may provide following your configuration adjustments. If everything's set up correctly, Shopify will indicate that your domain is connected. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Cloudflare domain to Shopify. Always double check your connections if you experience issues and refer back to this guide as needed. Getting your domain connected is a vital part of ensuring your store is easily accessible to your customers. Thank you for joining me today and happy selling with Shopify.